A little bit. You have people that came before you, the elders. They have a lot of experience and knowledge and wisdom. So you have to listen to them when they say something. You don't want to recreate the road. The elders that come before you, they walk the path. You learn from them. They make some mistakes. You learn the mistakes. You learn from them. I don't want to repeat that mistake. This guy made that mistake. I don't want to repeat that. So you learn from that. Okay. So it's very important to listen to the elders, hear what they have to say, because they know better. But you have to analyze it too. You can't just, there's a lot of information out there coming into you. And you have to okay, analyze it. Okay, is for me? Or can I use that? So you have to make sure you can't just digest everything. So you have to put it together and figure out what it is. That's good for you. Any questions, guys? Yes. Oh, good question. Yes. 21 years. So 3 years in the Navy and the rest in the Army, National Guard. Yes. I really appreciate that.
No problem.
Yes, this is very good for me, guys. You guys are teaching me while I'm telling you, I'm giving some information. I'm not telling you, I'm just sharing the information with you. If you have that vision and you pay attention to your gut feeling, you pay attention to yourself, listen to yourself, you will succeed. You will. That's the first part. Just know yourself and trust in yourself. You will succeed. That's all it is. And respecting the elders.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jeff. Let's give Jeff a round of applause. Okay, guys, so with that.